Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Rukkie Cooks. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make my Mongolian inspired chicken with jasmine rice and steamed pak choy. Now this is one of my absolute favorite meals to make. You know when you come back from work and you cannot be bothered to make anything, but you know that you've deleted all of those delivery food apps? Yes, me included as well. The bills were too high. So yeah, it's very quick, simple, easy to make. You're going to be done and dusted out of the kitchen in less than 30 minutes. First thing we're going to start off with is our chicken. Here I just have 2 boneless chicken thighs. I'm just cutting my chicken into strips. You can do chunks, whichever you prefer. So add those to your bowl. To your chicken, we're going to season that up with some of my essential Rukkie Cooks seasoning. If you don't have this already, then be sure to order. A tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Half a teaspoon of white pepper, just a pinch of salt. So the reason as to why I'm not adding too much salt is because we are going to be using soy sauce. Now, give this a mix. I'm going to crack 1 egg. This is going to make sure that the corn flour sticks very well to each piece of chicken. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now, give that all a mix together. Go ahead and add in your chicken thighs once your oil is hot. So whilst our chicken is cooking, we're going to go on to make our sauce. Really quick and easy. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, so I'm going to chop up 3 cloves of garlic. Now, to your same bowl with the sauce that you were making, add in the freshly chopped garlic and ginger, also half a chili. Now, I am someone who really likes spice, so these are not spicy for me. I don't know why I like an excessive amount of spice. My mum always says that it's criminal how much pepper that I eat, but I think I got it for her actually. The other day she was literally sprinkling, like, you know, the dried Cameroon pepper on top of rice. And the rice that I made already had 3 Scotch bonnets in. It was, yeah, I was like, yeah, this is definitely where I got it from. But add in your chopped chili, half the juice of a lime. Just trying to make sure I don't catch any seeds. So our chicken has been cooking now for around 6 minutes or so. I'm gonna go in and add our sauce. Ooh, look at that. This is gonna taste so good. I get excited every single time I make this meal as if I've not eaten it 100 times before. This is a new way that I learned to cut peppers actually when I was in Paris. I did a cooking course. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you would have kept up to date with that. But yeah, it's like minor things that I learned. I was just like, oh, this is amazing. I didn't know how to cut a pepper like that before, but it just goes to show you are learning something new every day. Cut it into big chunks. This is why I said Mongolian inspired before anyone comes for me. Our peppers and onions. Now pop the lid on, and we're going to leave that for another 5 minutes to cook. Now the reason as to why I chopped it beforehand is because so many different layers, and even if you rinse it, you're not going to get all of the dirt out like that. So I prefer to just at least chop it in half first, then give it another good clean. So I've added just a pinch of salt to our pak choy. Go ahead and add around 150 milliliters of boiling hot water. Doesn't need to be too much because remember we just want to steam this. Pop your lid on, leave it on a medium heat. So our chicken is ready. Looks absolutely delicious. Garnish with some fresh chilies and spring onions. Add some sesame seeds. So here I have my jasmine rice that I've steamed. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that pak choy. Mongolian chicken, let's add some. And there you have it. My super quick and easy Mongolian inspired chicken with jasmine rice and steamed pak choy. Perfect for a quick dinner, and if you cannot be bothered to get in the kitchen, but you know you have to feed your belly. Delicious. Why do us girls always like dancing when we're eating? Food really is the way to our heart, isn't it?